Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanita and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we have come to this beautiful jungle resort and it's called Shangri-La Jungle Resort. It's situated in Karnataka, but since it's very close to Goa and we wanted to sort of go to a place for our staycation and weekend getaway, we decided to come here. Last time we went to Wilderness. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, I'm gonna link so you guys can check that out as well. Now this place is just 10 kilometers from Goa border, so it's not very far, but it's in Karnataka. So we crossed the Goa border and we reached here in about 40 minutes once you cross Goa border. Since we just checked in, I think we should just go and have some food. So the lunch is ready. We reached here at around 1 o'clock. Check-in time is 12. There is a stretch of 1 kilometer to reach the resort, which is a little bumpy and it's not really concrete and not very smooth, so you might face a little bit of difficulty while driving in that section, but apart from that, the drive from Goa till this place was pleasant and it was fun.
We use it
Nice.
before 6:37.
Before sunset.
Night
No?
we are not allowing this because
Okay.
this is the restaurant now.
Okay. And other activities at what time? Till what time we can do?
Yeah, before
Sunset.
sunset. Yeah, before sunset
Okay.
we will do. Dheeraj, बाद में
Is it what?
river.
Oh, that's the rooms are like that only.
Yeah, river.
So we can, what we'll do, we'll have lunch.
Yeah.
We'll be ready in what time?
After
what is
lunch, you just take a ride now.
Kayaking and all, no? We
Yeah.
can do.
This is kayaking.
So now it is 1 o'clock.
Yeah, now
So by-
it's 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock.
So
And
by
after
2:33 we
2:33
can.
o'clock you come, no?
Perfect.
Okay.
Somebody will be there around, no?
Yeah.
From this spot you actually get 360 view of the resort. Now since it's the beginning of the season, there are absolutely no people around except us, so we have the whole resort for ourselves, and that is the best part, so we don't have to like wear masks in case you're wondering. The property is huge and they have got so many cottages, and we are staying at VIP rooms, and these are like the luxury rooms and we opted for that. Those rooms have river view and the jungle view. We are staying in these two right here. They're super spacious, very clean, and the staff is super courteous so far, so I'm really happy about that. Lunch, breakfast and dinner and tea, everything is included in the package. Package details and all the other details, the location, the Google Maps link, everything will be mentioned in the description or on the screen, so don't worry about that. Now we're gonna go and have some lunch. Let's go and check out this property. As you guys can see, this is the place where we do kayaking, and we're gonna go there in a bit. So as you guys can see, this is like such a huge property. This part is not really functional right now because it was raining, and it's still raining in fact, so it's pretty much the off season, but they are still open for guests. And then we have restaurant area on my right hand side. Also, one more thing, there is only BSNL network that is available here. No Airtel, no Jio, no nothing basically, and there's no Wi-Fi as well. So if you are planning for a vacation, I don't think it's a good idea. But if you guys have BSNL SIM, then of course you will get network here, but it's not everywhere. You're gonna get it at some part of the resort. This is day 2 at Shangri-La Jungle Resort, and we just had our tea and now we are exploring the property. Today we're going to do zip lining, that's on the list, but before that we're going to have some breakfast, and I'm super excited to have the breakfast because the food is amazing. The menu is so good. They have like so many dishes for veg and non-veg. They are very generous when it comes to food. So we are just going to explore this property. This is like a backwater situation right in front of our cottage. Hi guys, so this is like the karaoke area. We didn't set it up yesterday because we didn't feel like doing it, and also we were like very tired after the pool session. And as you guys can see, that's the pool, and it's right in front of the restaurant where we have our lunch, dinner and breakfast. Although last night we asked them to get the dinner near the cottage itself. Huge property, so if you guys keep exploring, you'll find something or the other which is new. They also had an elephant earlier, but the forest authority took it back, and it was like an old elephant, that's what they said. So this is not the real one obviously. And these are like few more cottages which probably has the pool view. I just came out of the reception area, and this is the main pathway. That's the main door where you enter the property building. I'm just gonna show you that area as well. So those includes all the indoor activities, and it includes basically every possible indoor games that you can think of. So I'm just gonna show you guys. We take this part to go and reach our rooms. There are few more rooms here. The restaurant is right there. Let me take you guys to this indoor activity area room. Lights are on, so that's a good thing. So this is the pool table. They have 2 carom board. This is the TT table. Let me take you guys to another very cool place, which is right on top of this place, and it gives you like a full 360-degree view. I'll show you guys. You come out and you take these tiny staircase. Hi guys, so this is right above the activity area that I just showed you guys. This is like a small terrace. You guys can actually see there is like a 360-degree view from this place. I can actually hear peacocks and so many other birds. Just gonna go down and grab some breakfast, and we're gonna go zip lining and check out. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I am going to sign off from this amazing place. You guys take care and do subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.